In this video, I'll show you how to transfer cryptocurrency from the Binance exchange to a Ledger hardware wallet. You'll be able to send virtually any supported cryptocurrency from Binance to your Ledger wallet. This can be especially useful when regulators take actions that negatively affect an exchange, making it less secure to keep your funds there. At the moment, we're seeing a similar situation, as Binance is facing challenges with renewing its license within the European Union. This tutorial can serve as a useful example for situations like these. First, log into your Binance account. Then click on your wallet and open the spot section. This is where all the cryptocurrencies you've purchased or stored on Binance are located. You can hide assets worth less than $1 since they usually can't be withdrawn anyway. In my case, I'll be transferring Ethereum and Solana to my Ledger wallet. Let's start with Solana. Click the Action button and select Withdraw. In the address field, we'll need to paste the Solana wallet address from Ledger. Before that, we'll install the official Ledger Live application so we can connect it to our Ledger hardware wallet, whether it's one you've already been using or a brand new device. Click Get Started and select your Ledger device model. After that, you can either set up the wallet as new or choose the second option to connect an existing wallet. If your Ledger already contains cryptocurrency, never choose the first option. That option should only be used when setting up a brand new wallet for the first time. Since I've already used my Ledger before, I'll choose the second option. Now connect your Ledger device using either a USB cable or Bluetooth. Enter your PIN code to unlock the device. Once it's unlocked, click Check My Nano. Sometimes Ledger Live displays an advertisement encouraging you to purchase an additional subscription. We don't need that. If you're unable to close the pop-up, simply close Ledger Live and open it again. Now we've successfully signed into Ledger Live and connected our Ledger hardware wallet. While transferring cryptocurrency, make sure your Ledger device remains connected. Next, on the main page, click Add Crypto Account. Search for Solana, since that's the cryptocurrency we'll be transferring from Binance. Select Solana and confirm the installation of the Solana app on your Ledger device. You'll now see two accounts, Solana 1 and Solana 2. I've already transferred Solana to this wallet before, so Solana 1 already has a balance. I recommend selecting the account that already contains funds. However, if this is your first deposit, your balance will simply be zero. Confirm your account selection, then click Receive to generate a wallet address for receiving cryptocurrency from Binance or another exchange. Choose via crypto address, select Solana as the cryptocurrency, and make sure to remember the network name. Click Continue, then copy the wallet address. You'll also need to verify this address directly on your Ledger device. Now return to Binance and paste the copied wallet address into the address field. In this case, Binance automatically detected the correct network. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and click Withdraw. After completing the two-factor authentication process, your transaction will be created successfully. Return to Ledger Live and wait a few minutes for the transfer to be confirmed. After a few minutes, the Solana arrives successfully in the Ledger wallet. During this entire process, keep your Ledger device connected to your computer. If you return to Binance, you'll see that all of your Solana has been successfully transferred to your Ledger wallet. You can transfer Ethereum from Binance to Ledger in exactly the same way. In Ledger Live, open the Accounts section and add an Ethereum account. Next, select the Ethereum network, which uses ERC20. If your Ledger device has locked itself, simply unlock it and continue. Then choose Ethereum 1 so the funds are sent to your existing account. Return to the main page and click Receive. Select via crypto address, choose your Ethereum account with the Ethereum ERC20 network, click Continue, and copy the wallet address. Once again, verify the address directly on your Ledger device. Now go back to Binance and paste the wallet address. Select the Ethereum ERC20 network, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and click Withdraw. After confirming the withdrawal with two-factor authentication, the transaction will be submitted successfully. Return to Ledger Live and wait a few minutes for the transfer to complete. A few minutes later, the Ethereum appears in your Ledger wallet. As before, keep your Ledger device connected throughout the entire process. For my final Ethereum transfer, I split it into two separate transactions. This is a good practice if you're unsure whether you've selected the correct network or if you're simply nervous about transferring a large amount of cryptocurrency all at once. Using this method, I've transferred almost all of my cryptocurrency from Binance to my Ledger hardware wallet. Personally, I believe storing cryptocurrency on a hardware wallet is much safer than leaving it on an exchange. However, cryptocurrency exchanges are still extremely useful for buying, selling, trading, and quickly converting your assets whenever needed. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.